Well folks, welcome to Whitebeard's Kitchen. So this is where I am. I really am in my mecca. I've mentioned a few times one of my Indian gurus in terms of cooking, Latif. So I'm actually in Latifs Inspired in the Latifs restaurant here in Stoke-on-Trent. I've been waiting for I don't know how long to get to it. To say I'm super excited is it's like my Disneyland, as my wife has described it. So as you can see, unfortunately Latif isn't here tonight, but I mean all I can say is the smells are wonderful, and if I had my way, only my wife would prevent me. I would be licking the walls as well as eating the food. Okay.
Thank you very much.
That would be incredible. There's no way we would have one of those each. Have a main meal.
Thank you. Thank you. Fabulous. Thank you very much.
So, one of my dishes has arrived. So this is the fish pakora. This is for one. So thank God we only ordered for one. That's one serving of fish pakora. So, and here we have different chutneys. And we did order a few papadums to start off with. But look at the size of this, guys. I'm going to try and pinch this recipe and try it. If I can maybe speak to the chef nicely and get the spices. Can't wait to get stuck in. Sorry, need to go. This is getting cold. Okay, folks. So here we are. We're back. So this is now our mains at the taste. So we only got the one portion of pilau rice. I'm so glad that we did, because we ordered a Kashmiri naan, and it's like, as you can see, this is one Kashmiri naan. It's like a flying saucer. I have had the chef's special pura masala special. So in it, there's lamb, there's king prawn, and there is chicken tikka. And then my better half has had the chicken pasanda. Oh, sorry, I tell fibs. I tell lies. I make a mistake. Had the king prawn pasanda. So, I mean, again, look at the size of these portions. These are massive. This is like really wow. And the smell of this, I could bury my face in. So I'm going to bury my face. So that's our main course. I think after this, I don't see us ordering anything else. Okay, bye for now. And this is the guy that really does inspire me and has helped me in terms of really improving my Indian style cooking. Okay. I'll be back at some point. I know I haven't been on the channel for a while, but now I'm a bit more inspired and I've been a bit busy at work and on a holiday over here in England. So see you soon. Rock on, and I'll definitely do one of these recipes that I've had put that up on my channel.